Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Annisa Rahmafudin. In this video, I would like to share my analysis from the journal. The title is Need Analysis to Identify English Materials for Computer Engineering Students related to the ESP, English Specific Purpose Course, Semester 7. The journal was written by Rakaisa Langit Bengra Somara, Didit Hardianto, and Sri Hardianti. And the first, I would like to share the abstract of the journal. In vocational high schools, English teaching materials are different from English in general. This is because vocational students need specific materials in order to have the competence to compete in the world of work. Therefore, needs analysis is important to identify the English material that student needs in the learning process. So let me tell you about the introduction from this journal. English language course design is one of the important things in teaching English. However, before making English course design, a teacher must be able to understand the condition of the students. This is very important because it is useful as informing specific needs in learning English, such as skills, competencies, and knowledge that must be achieved by students. Therefore, the English materials must be based on students' needs. Before analyzing the students' needs, a teacher obligates to be able to understand the specific purpose of the students. And need analysis carried out to establish the what and the how of course, and is the first stage in ESP course development, followed by curriculum design materials, selection, methodology, assessment, and evaluation. In other words, analysis of students' needs is matter that must be considered in deciding the materials to be given to students, and also on effort to identify students' needs and learning. And the next introduction is based on the preliminary study at the one of vocational high school in Majalengka. Some problems are found in English textbook used by students has similarities with English textbook used by senior high school students. Moreover, the syllabus used by the English teacher not appropriate with students' learning needs. Therefore, the practical ways by English teacher in teaching and learning process not appropriate with students' needs. And the statement above are strengthened by the experience of researcher as pre-service teacher at one of vocational high school in Majalengka. Referring to the problem, this research would like to identify English materials needed by the student in computer engineering major. This research also tries to refer English teacher teach English to computer engineering students. The result of this research is expected as suggestion to vocational high school to design English materials based on student needs. And the next, there are literature review from this journal. And the first, there are needs analysis in ESP. The importance of needs analysis lies in the potential of its findings to inform the development of the syllabus of the ESP course in question. Besserman 2013, Rahman 2009, that ESP needs analysis leads to design a language course which is more accommodating in the meeting of learners' needs. Furthermore, one of the purpose of ESP is to prepare students to use English in accordance with their work environment. Thus, A teacher must be able to analyze the needs of students in learning English before delivering English materials. And the second literature review is English materials. Materials can be defined as anything or any sort that can be used to assist students in the process of language learning. It can be textbooks, words, books, audio, video, photocopied, handouts, paper cutting, or anything that informs the language being learned. Tomlinson, 2008. Nordin and Samad, 2003, said that materials and textbook are the important researchers for teacher in setting students to learn English. And the next, there are methods from this journal. This research employed a descriptive qualitative research design since it focused on to identify English materials based on students' needs and also try to reveal English teacher or teach English to computer engineering students. This research was conducted at one vocational high school in Majalengka. An English teacher and one computer engineering major served as respondent. In collecting the data needed for this research are three instruments were used: interview, guidance, and questionnaire set. The data present the result of the analysis of all the data in the form of a descriptive statistic where the frequency counts are tabulated and converted to percentage. And the next, there are findings and discussion from this journal. Teacher interview was employed to reveal English teacher teach English to computer engineering students. Based on interview result, found that the English teacher teach English through group discussion with general English textbook material as the main source. Result from questionnaire sheet toward the English material are needed by the teacher and the student of computer engineering major. Questionnaire was conducted to reveal student need and the English teacher teach English to computer engineering students in teaching and learning process. There were 5 students involved in the questionnaire sheet as the respondents. And the last is conclusion from this journal. There are some conclusion here in my slide. Based on the findings of the research, it can be concluded that the English teacher teach through group discussion with general English textbook as the main source. Moreover, in learning process, the students require English material based on their needs to prepare the English skill in the target area. Therefore, to support teaching and learning process, the teacher needs English materials based on the student needs to realize students' competence in learning English. Furthermore, they also suggest that the school determines to provide ESP for all study programs. So that's all my analysis from the journal Need Analysis to identify English material for computer engineering students related to the ESP. Again, this study aimed to determine the type of English material needed by teacher and student majoring in computer engineering and to find out what English teachers teach computer engineering students. The result of this study are expected to increase awareness that the importance of English material is accordance with the learning needs of students in vocational high school. In addition, this research is also expected to be a determinant for school to provide ESP programs so that student English competence will be better in workplace. That's all for me. Thank you so much for attention. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.